Good morning and welcome. I'm LJ with today's adventure. Trying to make a video here with today's adventure stop. And behind me is Lake Mead. Over there is Hoover Dam. Oh damn, we're gonna check out Hoover Dam. Are you ready for today's adventure? Come on, let's go. All right, we just got cleared by security. Pretty intense. There's like canine units that sniff, and there's all sorts of people, staff that kind of pick apart your vehicles. You pull up and you're supposed to roll your windows down. Pretty serious stuff. But over here we have the bridge scenic view straight ahead, and look at all of that electricity. Oh, we can't go through that. Oh, I wanted to go through there and look at the bridge, but it's closed for maintenance. Bummer. All right, continuing on. Here we go. Whoa, and that's the bridge up there I wanted to go to, but it's out of service. But down there is the dam. There's the dam tour. Wow, would you take a look at this? We're driving across the Hoover Dam. And the weird part is we're still in Nevada. Ooh, restrooms. There's restrooms right there. That's so weird. We're currently in Nevada. Right there, see Nevada time, and we're gonna cross over the border. Whoa, there's the lake. Look how low it is. We're driving across the dam. That's so cool. And now we're passing into Arizona. Wow. Definitely don't fall down there. I think this is probably the spillway, but you definitely don't want to take a ride down in there. Never know where you're going to end up. That there is Lake Mead across the way as we have these big charter buses heading into Hoover Dam. There's a scenic outlook right up there. Pretty awesome, but yeah, the lake levels are definitely pretty low. Let's move on forward. Welcome to Hoover Dam at today's adventure stop. Notice all the following items are prohibited. No dogs, no burgers, and no leafy greeny substance, and no weapons. If you see water flowing in this spillway, you are witnessing a historic event. Definitely not today. But whoa, look at all the leaves and debris down in there. Oh damn, Hoover Dam. Would you take a look at that? This area opens from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. daily. Where do I go for the dam tour? Definitely don't want to drop the cell phone down there. Wow, would you take a look at that? Pretty amazing. What's really neat is that's the Arizona side right there. That's the Nevada side right over there. And what splits the two is the Colorado River. And it's a chilly morning out. It's about 50-some degrees. And there you go, and that's your exhibit hall right over there, the Spillway House. And now we're currently back on the Nevada side. What a trip. And here we're crossing over to the other side on the backside of Lake Mead. Still on the Arizona side. And would you take a look at this? Whoa, what a long way down. Definitely don't drop the camera. Oh, and check it out. Some sort of sunken, submerged item over there. Is that a boat? Could be. I could swear with other videos that I've seen, there's some sort of indicator that tells you the actual border from Arizona and Nevada, but I'm not finding it on this side or this side. Could this be it? Nope, it's just a dedication plaque. Modern civil engineering wonder of the United States. So with that, I've always wanted to say, Nevada, 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 Nevada. Arizona. Nevada, 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 Nevada. Arizona. We're at the Hoover Dam! Hey, so I'm LJ with today's adventure stop. If you like this video, give it a nice like and thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Do me a favor and subscribe down below, but not down below there. That's a far way down. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you on the next adventure. Bye, everyone.